everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to save your TikTok draft to your gallery, to your phone gallery without posting them publicly. This trick also will work if you simply want to save your edited video before uploading. It's super easy, super quick, so let's jump right in. First, just open your TikTok account, and once you're on the app, just go to your profile page, and then on here you will see a folder labeled draft over here. Just go ahead, tap it like this, and then now choose any draft video that you want to download to your device. Just tap on it like this, and then just tap on next. But before, if you wanna make a final adjustment, you can adjust it first as you like to make it more creative. And after that, just tap on next to go to the posting settings like this, and then in here we're going to change a few simple settings so that TikTok will save the video to your gallery without anyone else seeing it. First, just look on visibility options, or options that called everyone can view this post. Just tap on it and then just set it to only you or private. This is an important step to make sure the process stays completely private. Next, just go to more options and then scroll down until you find save post with watermark. Just toggle it off like this. This part is optional, but most people prefer saving their video without TikTok watermark, especially if they plan to reuse the clip elsewhere. And then now look for the settings that called save to device. This one, make sure this toggle is turned on. This is the key feature. When you post the video, TikTok will automatically download it right into your phone gallery. And again, don't worry, because the visibility is set to private, so no one else will see the upload. And once all the settings are done, simply tap on post, this one, and TikTok will upload the video privately, and at the same time your draft will be instantly saved to your gallery. So let's check the gallery. Like this, as you can see, you have successfully saved a TikTok draft to your phone without having to publish it publicly. And okay, that's how you can download your TikTok draft right to your device safely and privately. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!